Ready to schedule a service installation or a site survey? This video will go over how to use the calendar tools through a workflow task. Depending on how your company has Vision set up for organizing the daily on-site work for your subscribers, there is a couple ways to use the calendar system. Appointments are most often a step within a defined process. Using a workflow is the most effective way for managing common events. In a service package workflow, you can schedule an event for a subscriber's service by opening the scheduled task. Clicking the calendar icon opens the company calendar interface. Selecting an available time slot that works for the subscriber, or if your company does not utilize time slots, click on the calendar day and time to create the appointment. After locking in the appointment day and time, hit Complete Task. This will kick off a task that will sit in a pending status until the morning of the event. If, before the appointment, the subscriber calls to pick a new date or time, the event can be moved by going through the subscriber's calendar tab. Open their scheduled event. In the calendar event, there will be a section in the appointment labeled Move to Time Slot. This is where you will select a new date and time slot for the rescheduled appointment. Or, if not utilizing time slots, you can open the event and edit the date and time. Don't forget to hit Complete and the workflow's rescheduled appointment task once done. When the scheduled work is completed in Vision, the event will automatically gray out and be marked as complete on the company calendar. If during the scheduled work the subscriber was not home, the tech will select the appointment needs to be rescheduled. This will open a new scheduled task for the office to get a hold of the subscriber for rescheduling on the calendar. Let's take a look at the options within a calendar event. Events auto-populate with the type, subscriber name, and address. Appointments can be assigned to one or more people and can include helpful notes, driving directions, and contact information. Quick links are handy to go directly to an account or the associated workflow. Technicians can find a list of their assigned events under the User Assignments icon. The events in the calendar are colored based off the event type or the assigned user's color. This gives a quick visual display that will be helpful in identifying the daily scheduled work. The subscribers portal also gives the customer visibility into the appointments scheduled on their account. Your company can even set up and give subscribers the ability to self-schedule through their own account portal. When your company utilizes Vision's calendar and workflow system together, appointments will be well organized, communicated, and tracked for a consistent customer experience.